Hello all. In today's video we will discuss about a command that will create a shortcut of any command, and this command is very useful for the people who are not able to memorize the command, and there are some command anyone of the world will not able to memorize, at least tech guys. Okay, so to overcome of this situation, memorizing a long running command and which is useful and people used to keep it as a notepad and doing the copy paste, we can create an alias and we can use in our environment. So we are using this in day-to-day activities, and there are some other activities which we are performing. So let's see how it is working. That command name is alias. That command is alias, alias. Okay, we use this command to shorten any command. Like you have a long command and you have to run it, execute it every time, and that is quite complicated. You are putting here options and that thing, and is hard to remember and hard to execute every time. So we can create shortcut of that command. Like this is my screen. If I do clear, clear, clear command, it will get clear. But instead of typing clear, we can use C. Currently it's showing not in command. We'll make C as a command, okay, which will execute clear alias C equal to clear. Okay, this is a command. Now alias got created. If I press C, it will execute like a clear command. See, okay, we are having two type of alias. One is temporary, one is permanent. Currently this is a temporary thing, but how you will come to know that this alias got set or not, and what are the other alias already set on the system? You can use simple alias command, hit the enter key, you will get. So this is a temporary thing we have got, and these are things, but here we are not able to identify these all are temporary or all are permanent. Okay, so to make it permanent, we have to make entry in .bash rc file. Okay, so here these are the permanent. This was hashed. I will remove hash. This will become a permanent, but let it be hash because I want to show you how the temporary works. So temporary alias works for this session only. Once I log out from this session and log in again, C will not be a command. Again we will get command not found. Okay, so in this manner you can use alias, and if I make it permanent, vi bash rc, I will remove this hash. Okay, and we'll log out and log in again. If I use C, it will clear the screen because it had read that alias thing from the bash rc file. So we can create alias and put it in a file, so it will become permanent. This was a simple example. We will use some other alias, cp test. This is the alias I am creating of command cp-p /etc/pass wd under temp, and file name will give test. Okay, so we'll check ls-l/tmp test is there or not. There is no test file. See, okay, now we'll execute the alias cp test. It got executed. We'll get a file. See, and if I do cat, no, we'll not do cat, we'll do less/temp test to see the content. See, there is a password file which could copy, but instead of running this cp-p source and destination, we have executed cp test. So this is the alias, and if you want to see alias, so you are able to see clear and cp is there. But if you want to unalias this thing, that further you don't want to use, so there is a command unalias and C. So C will not get executed, and we'll use cp test also. Okay, now C and cp test is not in command. Cp test do not found. You can, there are some other options which system is suggesting to use. Okay, so in this manner you can use cp. In this manner you can use alias. You can create alias of anything, but if you want to make it permanent, it should be you have to make an entry of users /rg. Okay, and to see how many aliases are already present, you can use alias command without any option. If you want to unalias, you can use unalias and the command name. If you want to unalias all, see alias this many, we'll count it how many is there. ls-l, total number of count 7. So for this, what we can do, we can do unalias -a to remove all. Now if you see, there's no alias, so whatever alias was set on our system in a permanent or temporary, it got removed. Okay, and if I exit and log in again, I will get alias like 7 alias, what we are having 7 or 8. Okay, how we got it? Because that was part of that /rg file. Okay, so now we have created these things, and log out and log in again, read the /rg file, and all the alias will come in our system memory, so system will use. So if I press C, clear the screen. Okay, so this is the very useful command, so you can use in daily environment. Copy, move, running a script, running a like n number of parameter where you want to use. Okay, like search in a MySQL thing, you can use it. Okay, so alias is a very useful command, you can use it. That's all for today's video. You can use alias command in your environment. Keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye.